This is the DJI Neo drone and it has been used for more than 1 year. Today I am going to test how much real flight time this drone can still deliver after long term use. Before flying, let me show you when this drone was first activated. I am scanning the QR code to collect the drone serial number, then checking that serial number on the official DJI website and paste this serial number and click check. Here you can see the drone was activated on November 22, 2024, which means it has already been in use for more than 1 year. Now let's install the battery and begin the flight time test. The battery is currently at 90% and the screen shows an estimated flight time of 12 minutes and 44 seconds. After flying for about 1 minute, the battery is now at 85%. The drone has already crossed 2 minutes in the air. Let's see how long it can stay airborne. Battery level is now 74% and the screen still shows more than 10 minutes of remaining flight time. At 66% battery, the drone has already flown for more than 4 minutes. Now the battery is at 58% and it shows around 8 minutes of flight time remaining. According to the stopwatch, the drone has already completed 6 minutes of flight time. With 52% battery still left. The drone has now flown for about 7.5 minutes. Battery level is 45%. Let's see how long it last time the end. Battery is now at 37% and the drone has been flying almost 9 minutes. At 32% battery, the flight continues. Now we have reached that 10-minute mark. With 27% battery still remaining, the screen shows around 3.5 minutes of flight time left. It also worth mentioning that the battery cycle count is only 32, which means the battery has been heavily used and still good in condition. Now the battery is at 21%, and the drone has already crossed 11 minutes of flight time. Only 16% battery remaining. I will stop flying once it reach around 10%. And now we are approaching 12 minutes of flight time. The battery drops to 10% and the drone prepares to land automatically. Finally, after 12 minutes and 30 seconds of continuous flight, the DJI Neo has landed safely. So even after more than 1 year of use, this drone is still delivering impressive flight time. Drone related videos like this, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share for more videos. Thanks for watching.